Thank you. It's rainy today. Kind of cold too. I have some jobs to do at the flat in Bath this afternoon, so I guess it makes sense to go over there whilst I kind of freshen my mind. Just got to load up a tool bag, sort through this mess. I've got to get a few things from Wix. I really hope that they're going to fit in the little car, because I want to take the little car today. Fingers crossed. Next up is Wix. I've got to pick up some cement board. The hardware store. This is how I'm not getting wet today. Alright, I've got the back board. Let's get on to Bath. Why is it always raining when I go to Bath lately? Like literally every time. Last 4 times it's been pouring it down with rain. Remember these boxes that I made the other day? They're gonna go inside this wall here like this. So let's get those screwed in. Green juice. A slight problem with these tubes up here, the ventilation. I put these square boxes up here so that it would fit inside the ceiling, because before we had this sloped angled section. I 3D printed these couplings, and I had to 3D print them because all of these pipes, all are all different size fittings. There's some more over there. But my 3D printers ended up being a couple of millimeters too small, so what I'm hoping is, if I get a heat gun, I might be able to warm this piece up and then get it to attach onto there. Fingers crossed. Alright, this is a slightly unanticipated solution, but equally favourable. Warming this up has managed to cause it to fall out of the sleeve, and now I can just put the sleeve directly onto this, and it's a pretty tight fit, see? It's good. You see, whoever put these on the first time glued them in. But that just eases the glue up enough that they just pop right out. So that was lucky. And then this one can go straight back on. There we go. I'll probably put a bit of tape around these just to hold them in place. And I've got to figure out the other end. It's a little bit more complicated over this side. On second thoughts, building this wall right here might not have been my best idea. I need to make this connect to this. Alright, I think that'll do here for the day. I've just got to tidy up all this mess what I've made again, and then come back, and probably the next bite will be to try and put the wall around the toilet right here. This area. Alright, I'm back at the office. Mars is some sort of textiles exhibition. Let's check in with her and see what she's up to. I have a bunch of editing to do today. Everything takes way longer when you're using a 360 camera. It takes so long to download the clips and edit them on the phone. Then you've got to put them in the computer, and then you've got to do your regular editing, so yeah, everything takes way longer.